Kelkar Committee on PPP in India. Kelkar Committee to evaluate PPP in India was a committee set up to study and evaluate the extant public-private partnership PPP model in India. The committee was set up by India's central government and headed by Vijay Kelkar. The committee was set up following 2015 Union Budget of India by the then Finance Minister of India, Arun Jaitley. It comprised 10 members. The committee submitted its recommendations to Jaitley on 19 November 2015. Members following were the members of the committee. Sharmila Chavali, Joint Secretary at the Department of Economics, was the committee secretary. C.S. Rajan, Chief Secretary, Rajasthan. S.B. Nair, Chairman and Managing Director of Indian Infrastructure Finance Company Limited. Shekhar Shah, Director General of National Council of Applied Economic Research and Care. P. Pradeep Kumar, Managing Director of Corporate Banking Group of State Bank of India. Vikram Limay, Managing Director of Infrastructure Development Finance Company INF. Sudipto Sarkar, Lawyer. P.S. Bihuria, Retired Indian Revenue Service IRS Officer. Union Transport Ministry Representative. Recommendations. Amongst the recommendations made are: establishment of 3P India, case-based risk allocation formula for various project participants, establishment of independent regulating agencies, an amendment in the Prevention of Corruption Act to differentiate between errors of judgment and willful corrupt practices, use the PPP model for airport, port, and railway projects. Banks and other financial institutions be allowed to issue zero-coupon bonds. The number of banks in a consortium be restricted. Banks develop improved capabilities for risk assessment and appraisal. Specific guidelines for encashment of bank guarantees. To provide for monetization of completed projects. Create a procedure to resume stuck projects. PPP should only be used for large projects. Creation of an inbuilt mechanism for renegotiation. Model concession agreements in various sectors be reviewed. The public sector undertakings be dissuaded from participating in PPP. Road toll be collected electronically. Constitution of an Infrastructure PPP Project Review Committee IPIC comprising an expert in finance and economics, law, and at least one related technocrat with not less than 15 years experience. Constitution of an Infrastructure PPP Adjudication Tribunal IPAT headed by a former Supreme Court/High Court judge with at a minimum of one technical and financial expert each as members. References